Dive into the ultimate Web3 earning experience with AIBotStrategy. Simply register with all required information and log in. It's that simple. After signing up, be sure to read the latest announcements to explore your options. Now, unlock 2 epic ways to stack sats daily. One is through the work and the other is by invite friends. For the invite, simply copy and grab your personal invite link and share it with friends. You can receive 19% commission reward in 3 levels. Now for the work, scroll to see all the levels and the daily income for each of them. Ready? Follow the guided steps. Here, copy the wallet and confirm with top up is done. Open your level. I'm a VIP 1. Earn a smooth $1.35 per day. The higher your VIP tier, the fatter your daily bag. Kick off the quantitative trading. It's like auto staking for passive gains. Success? Confirmed. Ready to cash out? Click on withdrawal and set up the security password. Here, input your withdrawal deeds, hit submit, and watch the funds hit your wallet. Sounds good, right? Here, you can contact the 24/7 online customer service for any help or assistance.